What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download all photos from Google Photos to your laptop or computer. It's pretty easy, just follow the steps. So open your Chrome browser and head over to Google Photos by writing photos.google.com, or you can go from right here, click on Google Photos. And if you have uploaded some photos in your Google Photos, then you can just either click on the photo, then click on three-dot menu and click on download. Or to download the photo, if you hover on the photo, you can see there is a check mark. You just have to check it, and there will be an option of three-dot. Click on it, and again there will be a download option. If you click on it, your photo will be downloaded. So this is applicable for as many as photo is uploaded in your Google Photos. So yeah, that's pretty easy to download. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you with new tech trick and tips. Stay tuned.